Imagine a world where nothing goes to waste, where every product and part is given a second life.
Welcome to Green World and the fascinating realm of parts harvesting in the circular economy.
Today, we'll explore how this innovative practice is transforming industries, saving resources, and paving the way for a sustainable future.
Stay tuned to discover the pros, cons, real-world examples, and what the future holds for parts harvesting.
Parts harvesting is a crucial component of the circular economy, aiming to extend the life of products by reusing their functional components.
This practice goes beyond simple recycling. It involves the careful disassembly of products, like electronics or machinery, to extract usable parts.
These parts can then be refurbished or directly reused in new or existing products, saving both raw materials and the energy required to manufacture new components.
The process begins with product collection. Items are often collected from end users, businesses, or waste management facilities.
Once gathered, the products undergo an evaluation to determine which parts are still functional. Trained technicians then carefully disassemble the products, removing components like circuit boards, screens, or gears.
The harvested parts are tested to ensure they meet quality standards before being reintroduced into the supply chain, either sold to manufacturers or reused in remanufactured goods.
Economically, parts harvesting is a growing industry. According to a report by Allied Market Research, the global market for remanufactured goods, including parts harvesting, was valued at around $120 billion in 2020 and is projected to grow to $155 billion by 2027.
This expansion is fueled by increasing consumer demand for sustainable products and the cost savings that come from reusing parts instead of creating new ones.
A key factor behind these cost savings is the reduction in raw material use and manufacturing energy, two significant expenses in traditional manufacturing.
For example, the automotive industry is a large player in parts harvesting, with remanufactured car parts saving up to 50% of the energy compared to producing new components.
An excellent example of parts harvesting in action is Timberland's partnership with tire company Omni United. In a unique collaboration, they recycle worn-out tires into the soles of Timberland shoes.
This initiative not only reduces waste, but also extends the life cycle of rubber materials, aligning perfectly with the principles of the circular economy.
Timberland's Second Life approach exemplifies how parts harvesting can span industries, moving from tires to footwear, and highlights the economic and environmental benefits.
Through this initiative, Timberland saved thousands of tons of rubber from being wasted, while simultaneously reducing their raw material needs.
However, parts harvesting faces several criticisms. One of the most common concerns is job displacement. As companies shift towards using harvested parts, traditional manufacturing sectors may see a reduction in demand, potentially leading to job losses.
This is particularly worrying for regions heavily reliant on manufacturing industries. Additionally, while parts harvesting reduces the need for new raw materials, some argue that it diverts resources from innovation.
By focusing on reusing existing components, companies might invest less in developing new, more efficient technologies. Critics also express concerns about market disruption, with reused parts flooding the market, potentially lowering the demand for new products, thus affecting industries reliant on constant consumption.
There are also significant quality concerns. Although parts harvesting saves resources, ensuring that harvested components meet the same standards as newly manufactured parts can be a challenge.
Reusing components from older models or worn-out products can result in performance issues, especially in high-tech or safety-critical industries like aerospace or medical devices.
This lack of uniformity can deter companies from fully embracing parts harvesting, as they fear compromising the integrity of their products.
From a regulatory perspective, parts harvesting requires specific legal frameworks to support its growth. Policies encouraging companies to adopt circular practices, such as extended producer responsibility, EPR, and product stewardship programs, have already been implemented in parts of the European Union.
These regulations require manufacturers to take responsibility for the entire life cycle of their products, including disposal and reuse. This regulatory push is crucial for scaling up parts harvesting globally, but not all countries have similar frameworks, leading to disparities in adoption rates.
Despite these challenges, the future of parts harvesting remains bright. The increasing pressure to meet sustainability targets, coupled with advancements in technology, suggests that more companies will turn to parts harvesting as a solution to resource scarcity and environmental concerns.
As industries continue to innovate, the practice could expand into new sectors, creating a more resilient and circular global economy. With the global population projected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, the demand for resources will only increase, making parts harvesting an essential tool in managing that demand sustainably.
In conclusion, parts harvesting is not just about reducing waste. It's about rethinking how we use resources in a way that benefits the economy and the environment.
While challenges like job displacement, quality control, and market disruption persist, the potential for this practice to contribute to a sustainable future is undeniable.
As industries evolve, so too will the methods and technologies supporting parts harvesting, paving the way for a circular economy that prioritizes resource efficiency and innovation.
Thanks for watching Green World. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments below, and stay in touch.